So here demonstrating IoT energy meter monitoring and theft protection. Do it yourself assembling video model. So already we are going to send you one more video which works properly along with the initializing steps and all. So this is the connection video mainly. So these are the energy meter and the bulbs we have fixed, as these are all 230 volts operated things. So that's why for safety and protection purpose we kept them fixed, and along with this line also the relay can be removable. And this is the breadboard just for removing purpose, and this is the RPS board. Okay, and but don't touch on this circuit once we on the power supply to this one. So before on the power supply to this, first of all we need to make the connections. So the GSM module, and insert the GSM module in this one. Okay, after that we can see the G. So check with the G connector. So take this G connector, so connect it in around same like 5 pins. Leave this top pin, okay, this side. So remember that and check properly. So we need to leave this top pin, this side pin, means so from which we are inserting the SIM card. Leave that pin and insert it gently, right? And after that, now keep this aside, and now S, right? As for this is a switch connection. So this is directly pin to pin, but here see S was there and here also S was there. So just connect each pin to the slot directly. So it will be connected as is shown here. The red color should be this side, S and S it should be attached. And then after this is going to be the LCD. So here see, this is the LCD connection. This should be connected in this manner. This arrow mark should be connected properly. This is totally 8 pins to the 8 pins. Totally 8 pins, blue color this side, LCD and LCD arrow mark should be matched. Okay, and the next is our Wi-Fi module. So WW we have written over here. So this is the 4 pins to 4 pins. There is no empty pin or there is no extra pin. So like this W to W should be matched over here, right? Okay, and the next, the last and one is buzzer board. Yep, buzzer to the buzzer, right? Make the connection. So after we make the connections properly, so keep every component separately. You should not fall on another component. That's very important. If anything goes wrong, then it will be problem for the project execution steps. So generally keep everything separately. Right. Okay, and now you can on the power supply to the sketch. Right here, now on the power supply to the cage. So before on the power supply, check everything properly, and now install the network analyzer application which is available in the Play Store, and just follow the another video. We're going to send you that on the hotspot along with project name project 7963 without any space, without any capital letter. Password should be 123456789, and security WPA2 personal and APPN 2.4 gigahertz. After enabling the hotspot, after the inserting the SIM card properly, use Airtel or VI other than Geo. So keep the total components separately from another one, because this is a totally 230 volts operated thing. So check twice properly before on the power supply. Now on the power supply, right? So once we are on the power supply, so initially you can wait till the GSM modem getting the signal. Initially it will blink very fast. So once SIM card got the signal, now we can see that it's blink slowly. This is the one confirmation. And the next is one device is connected in your mobile phone. That is our ESP8266. And after that, go to network analyzer application, LAN scan, do the scanning. And next just click on this, because there is the two IP address. One is your mobile phone and there is our kit. Just click on that and open. Right, you can see this. So once and after this web page open, SIM card got the signal. Now we can select this one, settings. So enter So price, set the price here. So incrementing, and this one is a decrementing the price. Set the price now. And after that, here from the web application, select start here only. Right. So now it is normal, and right, select and open. Right, from this web application. So we are going to on this device. Okay, and everything is normal here. And once we on the theft, so theft alert will be seen over here. And the system will send the message alerts to the registered phone number. So like this, we are receiving the messages. At the same time, we can control the device. Just off that. Right, okay. So the device will get switched off after SMS sent. Right, and now the status is normal. And when this theft load off, everything is normal. Only the unit prices will be incremented along with unit and the price. So while execution, check properly everything is, and we're going to glue this one also as for the safety purpose. So we'll have the blank screen, just enter this, edit and enter. Right, you'll get the details. Right, so units and the price, same thing on the LCD also. Right, and after that, don't forget this to off that and check everything. So wait around 5 minutes till the capacitor got discharged in this power supply section. Thank you.